Imagine starting a career where you can change lives every single day. In the practical nursing program at EVIT, you'll prepare to become a licensed practical nurse in just 1 year.
I've always just wanted to be there for people and to help them. So I felt like nursing was something where I could really show my compassion and my care for others and be able to help them through the hard times in their life.
Through hands-on training and expert instruction, you'll learn the essential skills of nursing, from medical surgical foundations to pain management and infection control, to prepare you to handle a wide range of patient needs in hospitals, clinics, and long-term care.
In the practical nursing program, we get to check off on all of our skills every week. We get to attend a simulation lab and work one-on-one with a mannequin. So you really get that more real touch, like you're working with a real patient.
With courses in anatomy, physiology, and pharmacology, you'll be career-ready and confident in your role.
The teachers really take their time to help you understand the material and to make sure that you're going to be a really good nurse.
You'll gain skills for quality patient care as you learn to assess patients' conditions and assist with vital tasks such as taking vital signs, wound care, and providing comfort. Our program combines classroom learning with hands-on clinical training, so you'll graduate with proven real-world experience. And once completed, you'll be eligible to sit for the Arizona state license to become an LPN.
This is going to not only change my life, but it's going to help change my patient's life and the quality of their life.
Build a future where you can make a difference every day. EVIT's practical nursing program can help you achieve the career you've always wanted.
I'm incredibly grateful to be attending EVIT because it's really helping me pursue my dream job of becoming an emergency department RN.
Your future, your way at EVIT. Enroll today at evit.edu.